Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error for watchdogs. Okay, what you want to do, there are two different methods to fix this and I want you to not skip any steps. The first method is to go into the search bar on the bottom left, type in CMD. That's going to open the command prompt. You want to right click on this and hit run as administrator and hit yes. When this opens, you want to type in fsc/scan now all one word. So what is this doing? This is scanning all of your Windows files to make sure that there are no corrupted files. And if it finds any corrupted files, it will fix them automatically, which is exactly what you want. After this is finished, reboot your computer to see if it's fixed. Now, if it still hasn't been fixed, you want to move on to method number 2. So I'll put the URL in the video description below, but it will bring you to this page, a Visual C++ redistributed runtime. You want to click on the download link right here. And after it has downloaded, you'll get the zip file. You want to right click on the zip file, click on extract all. And once you have done that, you're gonna see something similar to this. So you want to double click on the bat file on the very top. And what this will do, this will install all of these one by one, which is exactly what you want, and this will 100% fix your issue. If this video helped you, please leave a video like and please subscribe. It really helps the traction. Thank you very much.